These are not real blueberries. Super sweet. These are super sweet. And guess what? We got more berries on the way. Well, another berry plant on the way. It might be here. Matter of fact, let's check and see. Let's check and see if our new berry plant got delivered. Guess what? What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm planting a mulberry tree in a container. Check it out. This is what our mulberry tree looks like. Check it out. If you're wondering, why are you planting more fruit trees in containers? Like I said before, we plan on moving soon. And guess what? I don't want to leave our fruit trees here because trust me, that's not a good feeling. I'm pretty sure you can ask a lot of people that planted fruit trees and they left. So that's why we plant our fruit trees in a container. Today, I'm planting our mulberry tree in red clay and compost. It's not root bound. That's perfect. And it already has fertilizer, so we're not gonna add any fertilizer to our mulberry tree. And it's that simple. Let's add a little bit more of red clay. Just a little bit. So check it out. We got our mulberry tree planted into our container. It's that simple. Check it out. Can't wait until our first mulberry harvest because mulberries are super sweet and they have a lot of health benefits. So remember those blueberries that wasn't ready last week? Let's check and see if they're ready this week. Let's check. So check it out. In only 7 days, we already got more blueberries. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's try one of these. Too good to be true. And check these out. Remember the cantaloupe plants from last week? Check them out now. Looks so good. Let's try this one.